Howdy, y'all. Thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate y'all taking the time out of your busy schedule, stopping in and see what it is I'm up to. Went out to breakfast, brunch, something, I don't know. It was breakfast for me, but it was lunchtime, like 1 o'clock for the rest of the world. We went to this little diner and had cream chip beef. I had mine over hash brown, or no, over home fries. It was all right. But on the way in, there was a little retention pond, and it's been raining for the past several hours. Most of the evening, most of the night through the morning or whatnot. Anyway, there was a little peeper frog, and you have to realize now these frogs, they're only the size of my thumbnail, if they're that big. But they've got a voice that is that big. So, like I said, just a little retention pond with a frog serenading its future mate with some cattails. We got back to the brat's house, and she said there's a big old bird out back. We went back out and looked, and sure enough, there's a big old bird up in the tree in the backyard. Again, it's been raining. I mean, rain's just horrendous. Their backyard's almost a lake. So this, I believe, it's a night heron. I'm not sure. If anybody can tell and has a better name for it, then let me know. It's a quiet video. I didn't talk over it. I'm not going to put any music because I hate that stuff that repeats, blah, 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 blah. I am also going to do a shout out. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. What did I do with it? Here we go. Punch up the sound. Antrod. Hey, Skinny. How you doing, bro? Ant is the son of one of my artist friends. He was also one of the actors in our Haunt for 1 year. Really good kid. He does music, makes sounds with his mouth and whatnot. I don't understand it, but he's good at it, or at least he seems to be good at it. Like I said, I don't understand it, so to me, I don't know. If y'all are interested, check him out. I'll put the link down below. If you would, at least subscribe for a little bit of time. He wants to get his subscribers up so he can get a private URL or something. I don't know. What's that mean? Anyway, yeah, there we go. So, I am going to bleed. I'm going to put these videos together, and I don't know. Maybe I'll do an ending. What do you think? Should I do an ending? All right. On with the show. Serenade's over. All right, there we go. One of those things I enjoy about living in Florida. Maybe not so much the frogs, especially at 2 o'clock in the morning. It stopped raining, and you got 3 dozen of them things outside the window carrying on. Oh man! But the wildlife, it's gorgeous. It never fails to bring a smile to my face. So Again, if you know anything more about that bird, let me know. Put it down in the description down below. I'll add on to the end of the video or something if you do. Check out Antrod, Antrod. Again, the link will be down below. As will the link for my snail mail. I would really appreciate snail mail, people. Subscribe if y'all ain't subscribed. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up or something like that. And yeah, until I see y'all again. Sláinte, y'all. Bye bye.